Baby.
Dude, stop this!
Listen, I'm busy shooting with the boys. Wait, let them see.
What's up, fine fam?
You know what it is.
You know what's up? It's your boy D5 guys back with another video. Back in the cut. You ready?
Damn! Oh, I'm actually ready for this video.
Tell them what we're doing, T.
What we're doing today, guys, is the Roast Us video. So what we did was we posted some photos of us on Instagram and gave you guys the chance to roast us.
Ooh, okay.
Now we're going to read these comments to each other.
I'm gonna be reading Matt's gonna be reading Tibbs, and I'm gonna be reading mine. I'm low-key afraid.
I hope you came with the heat, but let's see. Let's go. We'll start here.
Okay, start
So wait, who am I doing? Tibbs.
Yeah.
Nigga, you gay.
Okay, so the first one is by Keegan Gal. You are the light skin free trial.
One for Matt, they say 2 francs for the price of 1.
Yeah. Oh, we're just reading the best ones.
That's low-key whack, bruh.
The poster boy for every don't talk to strangers, they may kidnap you. So.
You suck! Go on.
Okay, that one's whack.
Go.
Super Saiyan, I'm gonna give you a shout out and then we're not even gonna read your comment. It'll whack. Okay, light skins think they can make anything look good. Tibbs makes nothing look good.
You're actually lying.
Okay, Tibbs looks like a lesbian female.
Alright.
That one burned him, right? He said I said alright.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, Matt, this is for you. You look like the tip of a condom off the.
Oh, fuck.
Wait. Finish the sentence.
After you have cummed.
Alright, no, we're roasting you.
You were close though.
We're roasting you
almost
for
there.
that.
I'm not gonna lie, the start came hard.
Real hot.
They said, where's my hug, head ass? Keegan Gal, child predator. I did. Go ahead. And then he said, up on the child hunter right after.
That's just random. Read it out loud.
He said Tibbs is basically the outcome if Matt and Abu had a child.
At least we know we would have pretty kids.
You look like a lesbian when you wear your skinny jeans.
So I can't wear skinny jeans now.
God damn.
Okay, I will go.
Mans has a memory card slot on his chin. Yo, Zuma _Tabani, you went hard. You went hard, Tabani.
Oh, you went hard.
That's the best one we're
You went real hard.
He said when he scores his I lived in Nigeria moment. That was hard. That was hard. We're gonna upload this video, we're just gonna be crying and just.
Alright, your teeth are yellow gold, but your nose ring bronze. Broke nigga alert. His teeth are very white actually.
What did he just say?
I don't even know. The boy crowned young. That was a bit whack. Chief hiding. When she says we need to talk. Lisa Philip.
Oh wait, what photo is it? Let me have context.
The one of me like.
Okay. Bro, is Abu just that good looking that y'all coming with weak roast because they're eating us for breakfast, man?
Nah, mine were pretty bad, bro.
Yo, someone said even Matt's pencil dick can fit in that gap.
Wait!
It's never the goat. Jesus!
Wait! Why was I
This guy going straight, bro.
Yo, that's heavy, bro.
On that note, they said
I
Abba
lost
would
it,
pierce
I
his
lost
dick.
That's all. Yo. Nah, dude.
Living proof that man can live without a brain. Sorry for saying that, I'm just trying to help with the Oh, shame.
No.
She tried to help.
No, you know.
I'd love to insult you, but I won't do as well as Mother Nature did. Bro, that's hard. That's hard. That's clean. I rate that.
Hectic.
Yo, the Tibbs has
doesn't
HIV,
make me
he
laugh.
just doesn't want to tell the fine fam.
What's wrong with you guys?
Bro,
Relax.
Guys, wait.
Go heal! Why are you coming here with your projections, bruh?
Yeah. Oh, was Tibbs eating a chicken bone? He's like, do you suck dick like that?
I'm dead.
Okay. See, that can actually make me laugh.
Yeah, some people actually like are fighting that. Matt's blacker than you. He's from Nigeria and he doesn't have a Bishop's white boy accent, bruh.
Crazy. You should also go heal.
Dude, what? Who is this? Well, you know what they said to you? They said you're just Bruce gay.
He's been disliking all our videos.
Yeah, that's the one.
Max, I got a decent one for you.
Okay, hit me. No, actually hit me. Bruh, listen.
It's a shame can't Photoshop your personality.
Yo.
Matty, you look like you suck dick for a living. Your dad should have used protection. The takeover of the group.
Oh wow. Actually, I'm gonna bring this up here. Yo, I know what happened in that. I know what happened in that.
He took Offset.
I was not there.
Okay. They said boy out here looking like the Black Panther suit with a nose ring.
This is me.
Yeah. The way you saw black, they celebrate your birthday on Black Friday. Go home! That's whack as
I must have been the
hell,
worst,
bro. Yes, that's what I'm gonna whack.
How was a dark skin joke? You look like the Black Panther suit with a nose ring.
Hey bro, I've heard
Because that's just fire. Like the Black Panther suit is fire.
They said you look like a hungry minion. Whack! Large scope, large noise, misspelled nose, and small ears. Whack!
Abo has regular size ears. Bro, why?
Abo, you look like a trash man from Pick It Up that has big bums.
It's like third graders invaded.
Bro, who was roasting you
bro?
here?
Okay, Tibbs, what bra cup size you wear? I love what you've done with your hair. How do you get it to come out of the nostrils like that?
That's hilarious. I didn't see that going.
My phone, this is what Tibbs, my phone battery lasts longer than your relationship.
That's crazy.
Bro, that's wild.
Who is that?
I'm playing.
That was all.
Matt seriously out here looking like that kid that ate glue from the Powerpuff Girls.
Yo, hi kodwa imbi lekaka. Ingathi nguShrek wasekhaya. So basically he's saying, yo,
He's saying I'm the hood Shrek.
He's the hood Shrek.
Whack! You're so ugly that only dates that you get are ones on a calendar.
Whack! Pinocchio looking
Equivalent
ass.
of your mom jokes, bro.
Whack!
Tibbs looks like you would enjoy sucking toes. Okay? Sucking toes, Loki goes up. So
Stop!
You just don't finish. Stop!
I don't have a toe fetish. Yo, Ramadan is over, but Tibbs' hairline is still fasting.
Matt's chin looks like a foldover from McD's.
Yeah! Got it!
Alright, we're going on to the next picture. This is the one we'll be roasting. This one and this one. Are y'all ready?
Who wants to start what morning breath looks like? Your hairline looks like it's having a long distance relationship with your eyebrows.
I thought of you today. It reminded me to take the garbage out.
Lips look like razor blades.
Oh man. Yo, they said you got that Billie Jean is not my lover look. That's why.
All I see is that black dude at the back. Oh,
That guy just got it straight out of nowhere.
Yeah.
No need for Wi-Fi with a forehead like that.
Crazy. Kenneth Mashawa from Generations.
How Matt looks at underage girls.
some of these are like primary school insults, bruh.
Someone said the last time I saw something like you, I flashed it.
Yo.
That was a bit hard.
I was like, that was a bit harsh. I said, you look like something I draw with my left hand.
I still don't know how my face turned out like that in that photo. I don't know what, bro.
When some of the song came on, like it looks like abstract art. Bro.
Yeah, you know when you can hear a picture.
Yeah, exactly.
They said, whose dad is this? Is her face
Yours.
But Matt looks like
tried to say
ankle.
you though.
Oh! Bro, listen to this one. When your boy touch you the right way.
Matt, when she says she missed her period.
Living proof that evolution can go in reverse. They just call me a monkey.
You giggled first.
I laughed, but then I was like, wait, evolution.
Makes it using a too hot to handle.
That's accurate.
Make me laugh, ho.
Nah, I'm done here.
Bye.
You guys are terrible.
Hi.
For those of you that would like to roast us, if we do another part 2, follow us on Instagram @3funguys. Follow us on Twitter @3funguys. To those of you that roasted us with whack roasts, do better, please. Please. For those of you that did good roast, shout out.
For those of you who did just weird shit, go heal.
Yeah, dude. Some of you need to heal.
It's okay. Take time for yourself. Wrestle with yourself. If you're religious, pray about it.
If you're not, find Jesus. You know. Why is everyone looking sad, bruh?
No, I'm not going on. I'm just thinking now.
But if y'all want a part 1 and part 2, like let us know in the comments.
We'll come back with another one.
Yeah.
Yo,
Shout out Chicken Licking.
Sup,
Why'd
bro?
you shout out Chicken Licking?
I don't know, bro. Listen, bro.
Chicken Licking needs to sponsor us.
Yeah, guys, we're so tired.
Yo, Oz, I'm hungry also.
And there's
And now we're saying Chicken Licking.
Do we have money? Yeah.
I got.
We're going to Chicken Licking.
We're
We're going to Chicken Licking.
And as always, my fam, TSG, still your
Bitch, I walk around. That shit hard, oh my god, bitch, I'm on the avenue, I'm switching cars, bitch, I've been flexing so hard, might break the bar.
Grab.
Yeah.
She's rich now. I'm telling you, she's racked up.
Really?
She must be.
So now's the time to strike, bro. Strike on the arm, it's hot. I'm gonna come off. I'm gonna come
have to
off.
have phone sex before every video.
What the fuck? When she licks your balls.
F me with your cuckoo kiki.